French manufacturer and market leader for rotary compactors, Techval presents the Valpac, a patented machine perfectly adapted to the evolution of recycling wastes in industry, retail, and communities. Minimum space requirement and minimum noise level, easy to install and easy to use, the Valpac is found directly on the waste production site. The Valpac can be used to compact 3 different types of waste: cardboard, plastic, crate. Immediately after it is installed, the Valpac is completely operational. No additional manipulations are necessary. Simply put in place the plastic bag that will collect the waste. Completely autonomous, the Valpac automatically begins compacting waste thanks to photoelectric cells that detect waste. Formed cardboard can be directly thrown into the machine. For larger sized cardboard, the Valpac can be equipped with a lacerator. A humidification system prevents dust and improves the compaction quality. The automatic deblocking system manages large amounts of cardboard without any exterior intervention. Waste can be fed continuously into the machine with a flashing light to signal a full bale. The Valpac then goes into the security position. The final result is a bale of 400 kilograms of compacted cardboard. The plastic protection around the waste allows you to store the bale neatly and easily inside or outside. Compactor for cardboard waste, the Valpac can be easily adapted to efficiently recycle crate and plastic waste. Stainless steel cutting blades are mounted on the axe and on the interior of the wheel to tear plastic and prevent waste from wrapping itself around the arm. The end result is a bale of 200 kilograms for plastic and 300 kilograms for crate waste. Due to an active research and development policy at Techval, the Valpac is substantially more cost-effective and easy to use than other types of recycling material on the market, like the vertical baler. For this machine, formed cardboard must first be cut and flattened, which isn't without risk. Pallets of 40 kilograms need to be transported to the baler, as the baler cannot be used continuously and automatically on the waste production site. Whereas the Valpac can be easily and securely used by all employees, the vertical baler, on the other hand, requires one person specially devoted to its use. The Valpac is immediately operational. For the vertical baler, preparation, feeding, compacting, tying the straps, removing the bale, the machine necessitates a series of long and complicated manipulations. The result adequately demonstrates the comparison. With the Valpak, simplicity rhymes with profitability. The Valpak allows you to save up to 150 euros per ton of waste. In addition to the standard Valpak, TechVal is able to conceive new adaptations for specific types of waste and specific working conditions. With its simplicity, high performance, the optimization of labor costs and transportation costs, the Valpak is perfect for waste recycling in a clean and safe environment. Selective sorting of waste on the waste production site and excellent compaction quality, the Valpak allows you to get the most for your waste and be in conformity with stricter environmental legislation.